Hi there, students. To hold water. Okay, this is a phrase meaning to be logical. If an argument holds water, it's logical. It sounds true. An explanation can hold water. It's logical. If a reason holds water, it sounds logically true. So the alibi that he gave just didn't hold water. It didn't seem to be true. It didn't seem to be reasonable. So if you're going to tell a story that's not true, it needs to hold water. It needs to appear to be true. It needs to be verifiable or supported by facts. If something holds water, it's got to be able to withstand scrutiny. It's got to be able to withstand critical examination. They want to investigate your theory and see if it holds water. I'm sorry, your excuse just doesn't hold water. Most students' excuses of why they haven't done their homework just don't hold water. The explanation was full of inconsistencies and didn't hold water. So it's got to be able to stand up to scrutiny. This is particularly common in the negative. Something doesn't hold water. Yeah, it doesn't stand up to examination. It just doesn't sound true. It doesn't sound valid. So yeah, what he's saying just doesn't hold water. Okay, so to sound true, if a container holds water, then it doesn't leak. And I think this is the metaphorical idea of it. It withstands scrutiny. It withstands criticism. Okay, so to hold water, a statement that appears to be valid, or more commonly, a statement that doesn't appear to be valid, it doesn't hold water. It doesn't sound true. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be true or reasonable. He was convicted because his story just didn't hold water. Okay, so if something doesn't hold water, it doesn't seem to be reasonable. It doesn't resist critical examination. Your theory doesn't hold water. Yeah, this won't hold water. I knew the reasons I was giving held water, but I might have to do some more experiments to prove that they were true. Okay, so to hold water, to withstand scrutiny is something that you can look at and is not going to be a problem. So it stands up, it's convincing, it holds water, it makes sense, it's plausible. Yeah, it rings true, it's consistent with the facts. Yeah, it's certainly credible. Okay, so the argument that you give holds water, but I'm still not sure it's true. Okay, yeah, it seems logical, but his argument doesn't hold water. Yeah, this argument doesn't hold water. Your story doesn't ring true. It doesn't hold water. It's just inconsistent. Okay, it just doesn't sound right. Yeah, your account of the robbery doesn't hold water. Yeah, it just doesn't fit with the facts. Okay, if something holds water, formality, I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing-ish, and certainly no more. And then the idea of holding water, that the water goes in and it doesn't leak out, because if water leaks out, then this is the idea of not being logical, not being the right thing. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hold water. It doesn't hold water.